Good morning, Texans. Today is Friday, April 24th, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now we'll observe a moment of silent reflection. Biggest reminder I have for you today, hello cat. Biggest reminder I have for you today is the scholarship offers. Seniors, I need you to get your scholarship offers to your counselor. That's all of the offers that you have received. So anything that a school has offered to give you in order to get you to attend their school, even if you didn't end up choosing their school. All of those offers, we want to have those listed out for the Legacy Awards program and also so that we can announce your total at graduation. So make sure you get those things into your counselor or to Miss Charlene Jackson, who is the counseling assistant. Those are all the announcements I have for you today. Texans, make it a great Friday. I love you, I miss you, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend.